All right, what's up, everyone? This is PYT number 26 of a three-box break Vanguard. Serial for the remaining elites. All right, guess the first base card for 8, 7, 4, 5, 6, and 7. GP Cole. GP Cole gets the one of ones. Mitchell is due. You know who we haven't hit in a while either? Lonzo. We haven't hit Lonzo in a while. We haven't hit Barkley. I have a feeling Lonzo or Barkley's coming out. I don't usually announce when I have a feeling. We're guessing the first base. The main bounty is the 1 of 1 RPA of Mitchell. We've hit a lot of 1 of 1 RPAs. Just haven't hit the Mitchell. We're going to owe you the boxes when we hit it. Because we only have the 3 more boxes and they're in the store and it's moving. 2 teams win teams in number 27. 27 will be on the screen next. And good luck. Nice, quick, fun break. It's product for the price. It's really good value. Yorker's a basketball sharp. He's not gonna drive a non-value product. He wouldn't drive it if there wasn't good value. The auto Fabio? Oh wow, someone guessed it. Who guessed this? The first base is Giannis. Babaz got it for 8. Redemption. Oh, it's Malik Monk. Hitless for Hornets. Then we have a gold auto to 10. Gold auto to 10 of Terrell Brandon for the Bucks. Then we have a jersey auto to 99 of Miles Turner, Pacers. Then to 49, it's Bam for the Heat. Box 2. Here's a nice base card. It's to 25 of Steph. Another redemption. Nerlens Noel. What team is Nerlens? And this. To 99. For the 8. It's Dave Cowens. Wait, what did I do? No, I didn't do anything. Then we have Bogdan for the 2 to 49 Kings. And then a rookie auto to 99 of John Collins, Hawks. We need a big auto in here. Last pack. We have to 25 Pete Maravich for the Hawks. Redemption. There's Dylan Brooks. Grizzlies. To 99 This is for the Knicks. Tim Hardaway. This is actually this guy played really well yesterday. To 49, Zach Collins for the Blazers. He played really well. And then we have either a jersey or a patch auto of Jason Kidd for Dallas Mavericks. That is the break. Not the greatest for this product. We've seen better. Figure out hit lists. But we'll do another one. Anyone know Nerling's team? His Mavs. All right, top two. Six. Cereal and Payne. GP Cole and Payne. Thank you.